Hello, ice cream fans. Guess what I got here? I just finished baking. Guess what's in this? In these towels? Pumpkin roll. I baked 2 of them and they're cool, all rolled up, ready to be iced with cream cheese icing. And I'm going to show you step by step how I'm going to do that. So let's start. I'll be right back. One moment. Hello, ice cream fans. Now I'm going to roll out this roll. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. This is powdered sugar on this towel so it won't stick. There we go. So go slowly. Oh. Move it over here. Okay, let's start again. Go slowly roll it out. Oh, it's going good. It smells so good. The pumpkin roll. Ooh. Let me scoop. Smells so good, y'all. You got to. Smells unbelievably good. Oh my goodness. Pumpkin roll. Here we come. It's rolling out really good. Keep on going. Kind of hard. It's really hard doing it with one hand, but it's working out. Just take your time. There we go. Awesome, y'all. We got our cream cheese icing I made. They went in the fridge. Let's see if I can do this. All right. Let me move stuff over and I'll get back to it, okay? Bye-bye. One moment. Here's my cream cheese icing. It's got 2 packs of whole milk Philadelphia cream cheese, and it has a stick of butter, tablespoon of vanilla extract, and a half bag of powdered sugar. Whipped it all together, put it in the fridge, and it looks so good, y'all. Nice and thick. Perfect. So let me see if I can do this. All right. See if I can do this, y'all. Oh, it's doing good already. Let's do it again. Great, great, great. When I make cream cheese icing, I like the cream cheese taste. So I use 2 packs of cream cheese. I think it's, you know, Philadelphia boxes, those 2 boxes that you get. You can get the 2-pack at the store. I think it's just like 6-ounce cream cheese each or 8-ounce. I don't know, but you know what I'm talking about, y'all. Those boxes. Not in the tub. It's in a, you know, it's in the box. And then you, let's see what we're doing for right now. It's not. Oh, it's doing it. Just take your time. Take your time. You don't want to rush deliciousness, y'all. This is so good, y'all. I love it. This is not going to work. This is sticking. I'm going to have to get something else. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back, ice cream fans. I got a butter knife. I'm going to slowly just... It's kind of weird. It's doing good. Take your time, take your time. Leave, was it a 1/2 inch space between the edges? So when you roll it, it won't squish out when you roll it. Okay? So keep that in mind. 1/2 inch. So don't go all the way to the edge. And I'll be back when it's all completely spread. Then we'll roll it up and it'll look beautiful. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I completely smoothed it out. You can see the border. See how great it looks? Just a little bit. You don't want it completely at the edge. See that border? So when you roll it, it'll stay. Most of the cream cheese icing will stay. See? Isn't that great? Looks so good. And I tasted this soft frosting. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is yummy. So pretty. Okay, now let me roll this up. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. Okay, let's see if I can do this. You take your towel. And you don't want to roll. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, let's see. I might have to switch hands. Okay, let me see if I can do this. All right. Okay. So you take your towel. You take your towel. And you don't want to roll your towel into your frosting, okay? You want to just roll the cake into itself, okay? So do not roll your towel into your cake, or that'll make a mess. And you can't eat towel, right? So let me see if I can get this right. You roll it. I can't do it with one hand, all right? So I'm gonna have to show you when it's done. Sorry, guys. But you roll the short end. Okay? I'll be right back. All right, ice cream fans, we're back. Pumpkin roll all rolled out. Want to see what the sides look like? Okay, let me slowly give you a peek. Ooh, it's not sliced, so it's not as pretty, but when you trim that out, oh my goodness, it's gonna be so good, y'all. Yep, looks delicious. I might want to roll that end a little bit more so it won't puff out. See, I'm gonna have that laying on the end. So I'll be right back and then show you the finish. And then I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. So it's gonna be cool, chill, everything gonna meld together, those flavors, before I cut it, okay? All right, bye-bye. And come back with the fittest product. All right, ice cream fans, I'm back. Okay, I didn't slice them yet. They haven't been in the fridge yet. I finished the other one, rolled it up, put it on a pan. Look how yummy they look. Now you're probably thinking, yeah, who cares? You're going to eat it by yourself. No, actually, tomorrow, Branch's Soft Serve is going to Briary Branch at 3 o'clock. And guess what we're having? Pumpkin rolls. But not just any pumpkin rolls. You might have heard of the King milkshakes. Well, listen to this. We're going to make pumpkin spice milkshakes. And on top, we're going to put whipped cream and a slice of a pumpkin roll on top of a milkshake. It's going to be a King pumpkin spice milkshake. It's introducing, it's new, the newest King milkshake just for you guys. And we'll see how they like it. Okay? All right. Well, we're going to put these in the fridge, let them chill, let them set up a little bit more before I slice them. And maybe I'll make another video of what I'm going to do next. We'll see if I have time. Because tomorrow, we're going to Briary Branch with our new milkshake, y'all. And anybody can come. You don't have to be from Briary Branch. Anybody who wants to try this new King milkshake, you better come over here. because this is going to be a new introducing. Never be seen before on branches. Pumpkin spice milkshake with pumpkin roll on top. Awesome. You know, you're drooling already, right? Yum. Alright, well, I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And have a great day. And remember, Briary Branch at 3 o'clock, Thursday, the 14th, no, not the 14th, the 12th. So it's September 12th, 2019 at 3 o'clock. See you then. Bye-bye.